Hi everyone and welcome to Raymondo Lee. So today I want to talk about this amazing car that I bought from a well-known car supermarket in England. So please make sure you stay tuned. So just a bit of a quick story about how this car came to be in my possession. So I was walking around this car supermarket and out the corner of my eye I could see this bright yellow car and I had to go and have a look at it. I've always been a fan of cars that are bright coloured. I've had a few over the years, and so I walked straight over to it and I was blown away by it. I'd never seen one before, and Seat Altea freetrack. Based on the XL version of the Seat Altea, but a four-wheel drive off-roading style crossover type, which was quite rare at the time. And yeah, took it for a test drive, blown away by its power. It had 200 brake horsepower, mated to the hydraulic four-wheel drive system that was in the Audi Quattro, and it was using the 2-litre diesel GTI engine. And so we took it for a test drive. I say blown away by it. Amazing car. It had loads of boot space. So yeah, it was a no-brainer really. We decided to put a deposit down, and 1 week later we had it in our possession. So I owned the car for around 3 years before I upgraded it to a different vehicle. I'll explain a bit more about the reasons why later. But yes, it was an amazing car in the time we had it, and I do miss it. Now, I didn't find too many different colours for this variation. Personally, I'd only ever seen a red one and the yellow one that I owned. And I saw a Luna Grey on Auto Trader when I was looking. I had the yellow one, which is the same as these pictures here. So basically, as you can see, it's got chunky bumpers all around. It also had 40mm of extra ground clearance, and Seat described it at the time as a 5-seater. This 5-seater is 3 cars in one, with off-road capability, space of a family hatch, plus the handling and performance of a hot hatch, with just one trim line, which was the 2-litre petrol or diesel engines. And both had quite a lot of features at the time, like climate control, parking sensors, cruise control, and it had a rear entertainment system as well, which I'd plugged up to my mini DVD player, and we used for Lewis to watch TV in the back, although we didn't actually use it that often. The interior in the back seats, you can see it had folding trays for the kids, and it also had window sun visors, which I could pull up at any time to block the sun out for Lewis when he was a baby. So that was also quite a cool feature. Also, the car had 532 litres of boot space, so plenty of room at the time to get the pushchair in. Amazingly, I had a look online, and like I said, there weren't many of these ever built, but in the UK there's only 342 diesels left and 55 petrol variants of this vehicle. So yeah, quite rare, and you'd be quite surprised if you see one on the roads, to be honest, because like I say, I only saw a couple when I owned mine, and mine was exactly the same as this one here. So the interior, I mentioned the back, but the front, I'm going to show you a picture of what the front looked like. It's questionable. My wife didn't really like it, but I actually love this colour. Yeah, it was unique, and yeah, really enjoyed that colour. Not everyone does. So yeah, we'll just show you a few more pictures of it now, and just wanted to basically talk about this car that I really enjoyed. So this is some photos of my personal car at the end here for you to see that I owned. Various ones that I took at home and at the dealers. And it's a very bright yellow car, you couldn't miss it. And I always got comments on it. And that's the final picture, guys. So thanks for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.